Hello children, today we will do factors affecting photosynthesis. There are two sets of factors, 4 external factors and 3 internal factors. So, two sets, external one set, internal one set. Now, in the external factors, there are 4 factors: light intensity, carbon dioxide concentration, temperature, and water. Internal factors, you have chlorophyll, protoplasm, and the structure of leaf. Now let us go into each factor one at a time. Now over here we have how light intensity and carbon dioxide concentration affects the rate of photosynthesis. Now you can look at this graph over here. Along the x-axis, you've got the light intensity, and along the y-axis, you've got the rate of photosynthesis. Now, as the intensity of light is increased, the rate of photosynthesis also increases up to a certain point. Then it gets stabilized at S1, okay, or S dash. Now, over here, the carbon dioxide concentration is 0.02%. Now, after this, no matter how much of light is increased, the rate of photosynthesis will not increase. That means some factor has become limiting over here. Something is stopping the rate of photosynthesis. Some factor has become limiting. Now, at this point, if carbon dioxide concentration is increased, then again the rate of photosynthesis will increase for some time till the carbon dioxide concentration reaches 0.05%, after which it becomes stabilized for both the factors. The rate of photosynthesis will not increase. It gets stabilized both for light and for carbon dioxide. And the rate of photosynthesis will be at a standstill then. It will not increase anymore. Now we come to the next factor, that is temperature. How does it affect the rate of photosynthesis? Over here again, along the x-axis, we have the temperature, and y-axis, the rate of photosynthesis. As the temperature is increased from 0 to 5 to 10, it keeps increasing, and as the temperature is increased, the rate of photosynthesis also keeps increasing till it reaches a temperature which is 35 degrees Celsius. Okay, 35 degrees. And over here what happens is at 35 degrees, photosynthesis is at its best rate. The rate of photosynthesis is at its best, okay, because 35 is called the optimum temperature, okay, the ideal temperature. After 35, it starts slowing down, and at 40 degrees, what starts happening is then the enzymes that are there, they start denaturing. Denaturing means the enzymes start splitting. Then after 40 degrees, if the temperature is kept increasing, it stops. Because if the enzymes only denature, the photosynthesis will not take place. So this is how temperature affects, okay? Now see, if it is from 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, photosynthesis will take place at a very good pace. But after 35, the rate starts decreasing. Rate of photosynthesis starts decreasing. And after 40, it stops. It stops. Why does it stop? Because the enzymes that are there, they start denaturing, splitting apart. Now we come to the next factor, external factor, that is water content. Now, there could be scarcity of water in the plant body. It could be because the roots haven't absorbed enough of water from the soil for some reason. Or it could be that there has been so much of loss of water through transpiration. Okay. Now, if this is the case, then there will be reduction in photosynthesis. Why will there be a reduction? Because the carbon dioxide will not be able to diffuse inside the plant, because the stomata, they tend to close when water capacity is less in the body. So this decreases the diffusive capacity of carbon dioxide. Now, once carbon dioxide cannot get inside the plant body, then the photosynthesis cannot take place. Though only 1% of water absorbed by the roots is utilized in photosynthesis, only 1% is utilized. But water is essential for keeping the guard cells turgid, and other functions also there of water, but only 1% is used by the plant in photosynthesis. So we have finished the external factors. Now the internal factors are chlorophyll. Now see, in the plant, it could be due to some mineral deficiency that the chlorophyll formation has not taken place. If chlorophyll is less, then the trapping of solar energy will also be affected, because chlorophyll actually traps the solar energy. So this is how it will affect the rate of photosynthesis. Now next, in the protoplasm of the leaf, yes, it could be that the protoplasm has lots of carbohydrates in it, stored food in it. Okay, or it could be that the protoplasm is dehydrated, loss of water, so it's undergoing dehydration. This will also affect the rate of photosynthesis. Now, structure of the leaf. Structure of the leaf means the leaf could be thin, okay, the thinness of the leaf, the distribution of stomata in the leaf, that is another factor, and the size of the leaf. All this will influence, okay, all these three factors, any one of them, okay, they will influence the rate at which carbon dioxide or light enters the leaf. Okay, so these are the internal factors and these are the external factors that may affect the rate of photosynthesis. Now what you need to do is you turn to this chapter in your book and go through this topic from your book also. Okay, and of course if you have any problems, just send me a mail. Okay, thank you.